Teaching methodologies. Teaching is the highest form of understanding. Active learning is making students involved in learning process. If we make them think, talk, move or emotionally involved in our class, we can definitely make the topic to be remembered by them for a long time. Students and their learning needs are at the center of active learning. There are many teaching strategies that can be employed to actively engage students in the learning process, including group discussions, problem solving, case studies, role plays, journal writing, and the structured learning groups. The benefits to using such activities are many, including improved critical thinking skills, increased retention and transfer of new information, increased motivation, and improved interpersonal skills. Become familiar with a few active learning techniques. Some that are easier to implement are the 1 minute paper and think, pair, share. We can choose one or two techniques and modify them so that they address learning goals in your class. There are several other modes of delivery that can also be very effective, and you may have come across terms such as the flipped classroom and problem based learning. Teaching large groups. Consider ways to make your lecture more impactful and engaging. Small group teaching. Demonstrating in practical classes. Explore the key learning aims of practical classes and how to get learners to effectively engage with them. Massive open online courses. MOOC offer an opportunity to refresh the way you think about curriculum design and how you can bring MOOC concept into mainstream teaching. Flipped classroom. Consider a flipped approach by asking learners to watch video content before the class session and devote in class time to exercise, projects, and discussions. Active learning. Explore teaching and learning methods that put the student in charge of their own learning through meaningful activities. Problem based learning. A student centered approach where students learn about a subject through understanding and solving problems. Work based learning. Providing students the opportunity to learn through real life work experience. Blended learning, traditional classroom teaching combined with online learning and independent study. Student led learning, students work together to support each other learning. Implementing this new teaching technique can be challenging task. The first step is to start small. Choose one simple technique to try in one class, then think about how you will facilitate the process each step of the way. By this way, we can definitely create an invigorating atmosphere in the class which will be conducive and beneficial for the students.